Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix heating issue on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. After click on device care, you will see here showing you performance profile. Click on performance profile. After click on performance profile, two options is showing here, standard and light. If you want to fix heating issue, so select light. After select light, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix heating issue on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.